friends, welcome back to my channel Think Different. This is Satriyavarman. Today in this video we'll see about air around us. Okay. If you like this video, share, like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, now let's go into the video. Okay, first let's see the topics to be covered. Topics to be covered are wind, air, properties of air, composition of air, atmosphere, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and weathercock. These are the topics to be covered in air around us topic. Okay. Now let's go into the first topic about wind. Okay, wind. Wind refers to air in motion. Okay, wind is nothing but the moving air is called wind. Here they have given motion. Motion is nothing but the movement is called motion. Motion mean movement. I'll write here. Motion mean movement. Okay, motion is nothing but the movement of air or the moving air is called wind. It is caused by the uneven heating of different parts of the earth by the sun. And the wind, how it is caused mean? It is caused by the uneven heating. Uneven heating of the different parts of the earth and by the sun. The earth is heated, no? That uneven heating, because of the uneven heating of the earth by the sun, so the wind is caused. Okay, now we know what is wind. Now let's go to the air. What is air? Air, you know what is wind now. Wind is nothing but wind is the moving air. Okay, air. Air is a mixture of different gases. Air is nothing but air is a mixture of different gases. Many gases are mixed up and make air. Okay, for example, oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, argon, hydrogen, helium. There are many gases which make up together and make air. Okay, this is air. Now let's see some properties of air. Properties of air is nothing but the qualities which are in the air. Air is colorless and odorless. We know air don't have color and it is not odorless, which means smell. We can't feel the smell of the air. Air can be felt. Yes, air we can't touch. It's colorless, odorless. Other than that or apart from that, air can be felt. If the air is blowing, we can feel the air. That is, the air can be felt. Air is made of gases. Third one is air is made up of gases. Okay, as we saw what is air, in that we learned that air is a mixture of different gases. That means air is made up of different gases. Okay, that is given here. Air is made of gases. Fourth, air exerts pressure. Yes, air also exerts pressure. Okay. Fifth, air occupies space. Okay, air also occupies space. We can also prove this by blowing a balloon. If we blow a balloon, air the air goes inside the balloon and it occupies the space and the balloon blows and it expands. Okay, this is the example for occupying space. Next, air has mass. Yes, air also has mass and weight. Okay, last point, air expands. Yes, even air expands. For example, if we blow a balloon, the air goes inside the balloon and the balloon started to expand. So air also expands. Again, I will repeat the properties of air because this is very important. Air is odorless and colorless. Air can be felt. Air is made of gases. Air exerts pressure. Air occupies space. Air has mass. Air expands. Okay, these are some of the properties of air. Now let's see the composition of air. Okay, composition of air. Air is not one substance but it is a mixture. As I told, air is made up of different gases. Okay, it is not a single thing, it is a mixture. Okay, air is a mixture of some gases like water vapor and dust particles. Okay, air also combines some gases, as I told, like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. Then water vapor also, it is a mixture, and dust particles also, it is a mixture of air. Okay, some gases, the mainly gases they have given here. The gases in the air are nitrogen, oxygen, small amount of carbon dioxide and other gases. Okay, some mainly gases which are present in air are nitrogen, oxygen, and very little or few amount of carbon dioxide, and other gases which are very few more. Okay, okay, now let's see the image of composition of air. If you see this, you can understand. Okay, this 78% of air is nitrogen. The 78% of air is nitrogen. The 20.9% of air is oxygen, which is used for burning and we breathe. Okay, the 20.9 percentage of gas is oxygen, and the green color, which is organ, which is 0.90 percentage, which is organ, and the purple color, which is carbon dioxide, very few, that is 0.03% of carbon dioxide, and other gases which is present are 0.17 percentage. Okay, this is the composition of air. Okay, now let's see the each gases. Okay, first we'll see about water vapor. Air contains water vapor. As I told, air is a mixture of the gases, water vapor and dust particles. Like that, air also contains water vapor. When air comes in contact a cool surface, it gets cooled and fog appears. The presence of water vapor in the air is important for the water cycle in the nature. Okay, as I told, air contains water vapor, and the air, the cool surface, the when the air is in contact with a cool surface, it gets cooled, the water vapor gets cooled and fog appears. Okay, fog appears. Then you can see the air, the water vapor in the air, present in the air, is very important for the water cycle. Okay, water vapor is very important for the water cycle. This is important point, please note it. Next we'll see about dust particles. As I told, air is mixture, no, in that water vapor, and dust particles also it is included. Okay, air contains dust particles. As I told, air also contains dust particles. The presence of dust particles in air varies from place to place and time to time. If one place it is many dusty, when the air blows, the dust also flies and mixed up with air. Okay, so the dust particles in air varies from place to place and time to time. Okay, now let's see gases. Oxygen. First we'll see about the oxygen. The component of air that supports burning is called oxygen. Oxygen is necessary for the survival of all living beings. It is required in respiration. Percentage of oxygen in the air is around 20.95 percentage. Okay, okay. The component of air or the gas which supports burning is oxygen. Oxygen is the one of the gas which supports burning, and it is also used for survival, which human beings take in oxygen, which is useful in survival. Okay, and the percentage of oxygen in air is 20.95 percentage. Okay, now let's go to the next gas, which is nitrogen. Nitrogen. The major part of the air is nitrogen. It takes up 4/5 of the space, which is around 78.11 percentage that air fills. Nitrogen does not support burning. As we see, nitrogen is the one of the gas which is present in the atmosphere, so much. Okay, that is around 78.11 percentage, which covers the air. Okay, and the second point is nitrogen does not support burning, but the oxygen supports burning. Okay, third gas, which is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide makes up a small component of air around us. It causes a feeling of suffocation. All materials, when they burn, consume oxygen and produce carbon dioxide. Plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and to live. Okay, carbon dioxide is a gas which is present less in the atmosphere, which is around 0.03 percentage. Okay, and it causes a feeling of suffocation. Suffocation is nothing but we can't able to breathe properly. Okay, that's called suffocation. And for burning, they consume oxygen and they produce carbon dioxide out. Okay, then plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and to live. Photosynthesis is nothing but the process by which plants prepare their food by their own self. Okay, that is called photosynthesis. For that, carbon dioxide is essential. And some gas, the name of the gases that I took, which are found in lesser quantities in the atmosphere, that are helium, ozone, argon, hydrogen. These are some gases which are present in the atmosphere in very lesser quantities. Okay, okay. Now let's see about weathercock. This is the last topic of this air around us. Weathercock. Weathercock, it shows the direction in which the air is moving at that place. Okay, weathercock is nothing but the it shows the direction of air in which direction it is moving. Okay, if in the top of the house the weathercock is located, if the air blows, it shows the direction in which the air flows. Okay, this is called weathercock, and this is the image of weathercock. There are four major direction. I think you know it is in, I have told this about in the video of maps geography. If you want it, I'll give you the link or in the description. Okay, there are four major directions which are east, west, north, south. Okay, the video link will be in the description. Okay, that's all. We saw everything about the air. That's all. If you like this video, share, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.